guys, in this video, I'm going to show you how to fix the annoying error message in GTA 5 that says your save data could not be loaded. Let's jump right in. First, open this PC on your computer and head to your Documents folder. From there, find and open the Rockstar Games folder. Next, go into the GTA 5 folder. Inside, you'll see a folder named Profiles. All you need to do is delete this folder. Right-click on it, select Delete and confirm. Don't worry, this won't mess up your game permanently. It will just force the game to resync your save data. After deleting the Profiles folder, close all windows. Then open your game launcher, whether it's Steam or Epic Games, and start GTA 5. Now, this part is key. The game might take a few extra minutes to load while it resyncs your save data. Be patient. Once it's done, you should be able to play GTA Online without any issues. And that's it. If this video helped you fix the problem, don't forget to drop a like and subscribe for more gaming tips and fixes. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next one.